Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your billing method on Upwork. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, and after that go to your profile, which is at the top right corner, and then click on the settings, and then you can see at the billing section the billing and payments. Click on that, and then you have to set up your billing method. Your billing method will be charged only when your available balance from Upwork earnings is not sufficient to pay for your monthly membership and or connects. So click on the add a new billing method, and then you can use payment card or PayPal. And after that, obviously, after selecting one of these options, you have to give all your information regarding the billing method, and after that click on the save, and that's all. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.